Baby Gloria ina interview gye yabaddeko. Interview eno akaana kano katugamba nti obufumbo kabwevuma kakafumbirwa addaye naye kalina owaata amatooke kalina okwoza bakatunuza kwegamba byerimu ku bizibu bye kasanze mu mbeera eno ey'okubeera nga kafumbo. Now this is the conversation I wanted us to dive into. She has just gotten married, so we wanted to know exactly obufumbo bw'omuyisa butya. How is she coping up with life? Baby Gloria has been in the industry for quite long. Kajja kato era nga buli erinnya lya Baby Gloria in a community eyabalokole, but she's grown up in there and paka wakoze byakoze. So while on this podcast, they had a conversation that I felt we should share with you for those of you who missed it out. Owulire ku nsonga z'obufumbo olabe enteekateeka bwe yabadde.
One thing about being a wife that I didn't expect. I don't even have one. I have 1,000. But let's
please give us 5.
Guys, when you're a girlfriend, use all your security. The fact that you can always jump out and jump back in, use it. Because the moment they tie that knot, or when you get annoyed, or when you're not satisfied with something, you are there for life. Which thank God I chose the right person. Thank God I chose my friend. But oh my goodness, whoa, that's one thing that I immediately realized. Like, I love the liberty of knowing that I can always leave this thing. I can always like choose something else. But now, like, you know that you're in this for life, and you have that teaches you that you should choose the right decision. You should make the right decision. And then the other thing that's just so laid back, like more laid back. What do you mean I have to mop this house every day? I have to the point that I realize, wait, I cannot be doing my nails and they're so expensive. And I'm wringing a rag every day. I had to go on TikTok and start looking for smart mops. What can I use to mop that I don't have to wring with my fingers, right? So yeah, just be a smart wife, because man, you realize the dishes are looking at you. The house is looking at you. The food is looking at you in the fridge. It's waiting to be cooked, right? Yeah. Thank God I love to love on people and cook for them, and get complimented on the things that I make or something like that. But yeah, those are the things that I realized, like, whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.